Okay? We have taken the decision to merge from Swiss regulated company. Ito po ay ginawa last April pa po, At pinapaalam po ng mGoldex sa atin that mGoldex online store have been providing services and cooperating with you for 5 years. All this time, the main supplier of our online store was the mGoldex Trade DMCC company. Due to cooperation and productive work on the online store, entered the global market and became an international client. However, the business has grown substantially over time, and we have taken the decision to merge from a Swiss regulated company. As part of this exciting move to the first world, Swiss jurisdiction, the founders are wanting to keep you informed of developments. As a client of mGoldex, you will be aware that we do not trade in Dubai bullion. We do only trading in top Swiss hallmark bullion. According to the fact that there is no longer need in DMCC supplies, it's no longer active. Instead, we are now trading through a Swiss company which is regulated. Okay, balik tanaw lang po tayo. A parent company established on 2008, a big investors and the wholesalers of the gold and silver physical metals. They are trading a precious metals, gaya po ng gold, silver, palladium, titanium, and so on and so forth, na matatagpuan po ito sa München, Germany. Ito po ang tinatawag na goldsilverphysicalmetals.com. Okay? And by 2010, gold and silver physical metals do franchise on the MCC Dubai Multi-Commodity Center for all those who want to enjoy gold. Okay? Gumawa po siya ng Goldex program na tinatawag ng mGoldex, at ito po ay nagtatrade or nagbebenta or para po mailapit sa mga ordinaryong tao ang mga ginto. Okay? Kung ikaw po ay ordinaryong tao lang, hindi mo kaya bumili ng isang malaking gold bars, so nakaisip po ang ating pong mGoldex na ilapit po sa tao ang gold. From 1 gram to 100 grams of gold, pwede na po iyang ma-enjoy ng mga tao. Okay? But suddenly po, nagkaroon po tayo ng website or system maintenance last night from 11 to 4. Doon po sa Germany, at yun po ay nag-active last night po from 10 in the evening. Okay? Bakit po tayo napunta sa global bagong global intergold trading? Okay? Ito po yung global intergold, no? Sinasabi po sa atin ng ating admin ay, please be informed that the name mGoldex Emirates Gold Exchange has been changed to Global Intergold. Renewed look but works the same online shop what we were used to. Okay, ibig sabihin po nito, wala naman pong nababago sa sistema at sa marketing program na ginagawa natin sa kasalukuyan with Global Intergold from mGoldex. So bakit daw po pinalitan ng pangalan? Kasi daw po, in 2010, Emirates Gold Exchange or mGoldex online gold store was opened in DMCC Dubai, UAE, United Arab Emirates. DMCC is a world-famous gold manufacturer of gold, but still due to the huge global demand of gold, the company had merged with the Global Swiss Trade SA, an international gold supplier registered in Switzerland and headquartered in Geneva to serve the clients better. Since po, nung April, okay, pinaalam po sa atin ng mGoldex na makikipag-tie up na po sila sa Swiss, Global Swiss Trade, no? Bakit po? Dahil hindi na po masupplyan ng DMCC yung demand ng gold sa napakalaking reception po na hinandog ng mga tao, na napakalaking grupo na po ng mga tao ang tumangkilik dyan sa mGoldex sa trading ng gold at sa kanilang pag-business, no? Hindi na po masupplyan ng DMCC, so nag-decide po ang kumpanya na i-transfer po tayo sa Global Swiss Trade, which is sila po ang malaking supplier ng gold, no? Since the company is no longer connected with the DMCC Dubai, there is no reason for them to continue using the name Emirates Gold Exchange or mGoldex as their online gold store name. Okay? Bakit daw po ang mGoldex pinalitan po ng Global Intergold? Bakit daw po? Kasi hindi na po tayo connected sa DMCC. So, ano pa po naman siguro na kung ang isang bagay ay hindi na po ginagawa sa isang lugar, hindi na po natin kailangan i-promote, no? Baka masabihan pa po tayo na tayo po ay nanloloko ng tao. So we are now Global Intergold online gold store. For your information and guidance, tayo po ngayon ay nasa Global Swiss Trade na. Okay? Ang gold provider po natin since April 2015 ay Global Swiss Trade, registered number CH660.3 048.013-9 ang matatagpuan po ito sa Mont Blanc Business Center at Geneva, Switzerland. Okay? So ngayon po, bakit po tayo mapupunta rito sa new website? Dahil nga po, DMCC is no longer connected with the gold and silver physical metals at tayo po ay nasa Global Swiss Trade, kaya po tayo ay Global Intergold. So ngayon po, nandito po tayo sa new system, new website. Just log in to www.globalintergold.com at pwede nyo na pong i-enjoy ang inyong username at ang inyong password at mababalikan po ninyo ang inyong ginagawang business. So watch out po for the next video kung paano po ba mag-transfer sa ating bagong system at sa bagong website.